really amazing fact that there is big symbiosis between the insects which pollinate and the fig tree or the trees belonging to family of we call Ficus bengalensis or ficus family. You will be surprised to know that the insect which has evolved to pollinate, actually figs are not fruits, they're almost like inflorescence inside. There are male and female flowers inside. And the one fig which is of Mysore and around can be pollinated only by the insect of Mysore and around. That insect comes to Bangalore fig, it will not be able to pollinate. It is wonderful because couple of reasons. One is the life cycle of fig is of course for many years. The life cycle of insect is very short, let's say 40 days. So within 40 days, a fig has to pollinate in one place and lay eggs, and new insects will be born there, and they have to find flowering another fig within time of its lifespan. So it has to be within 3 to 4 kilometers. So once it finds the new fig, it should be flowering, and that's why these figs they give fruits or flowers throughout the year. So the insect can survive, they themselves can survive. That's why it's called one of the keystone species. Isn't it really a wonder?